What is up, guys? Today's kind of a sponsored video, but not really. Long story short, for all you Subaru people who've cracked their head on their car with an oil pressure sensor, I know it's a pretty common problem between like the 04s to like 2010s. This company or shop, better off, KUKS right here. Ooh, come on. There we go. KUKS shop. He's actually located in Canada. He sent me a repair kit that he custom made. He's been making these, he's been selling them, and he sent it down for free. He's confident that it works, and it looks like it will work in theory. So he asked me not to show it because it's just what he asked. So I'm not going to actually show the kit. I'm going to show it's broken on my Outback.
Hold up.
And then I'm going to show you guys after the kit's installed, and we'll see if it works. So I'm going to show you what's actually damaged on my car. Let's go. So just to start, this is my 2007 Subaru Outback. It has about 50,000 miles on it. It's a 5-speed. Long story short, what happened was I had to put a new short block in this thing, as you can see right down there, and the oil pressure sensor came on right away. So I went to change it, and then when I changed it, I over tightened it, and it literally cracked the head. The car was pissing oil, and then my buddy Ryan at MR Performance, awesome shop, definitely check him out. He actually like ghetto fixed this with JB Weld because we just put the motor in. I didn't really want to spend the money on a new head, and it lasted about almost 20,000 miles. So this is the job, or the crack, better off. You can see it. So I'm going to show you guys the crack really quick. It's going to be kind of hard. It's a little hidden, but take a look. It's hard to show it, but it cracked on like the opposite side of this, and there's not really a good way to show it. It cracked really bad. When this thing broke, when I mean it was pissing oil is an understatement. I had to literally get it towed because of how bad it was leaking. And it's all up in this section over here. So I'll show you underneath the car. Alright guys, so I dropped the car off at MR Performance. I had Ryan put the tap kit in the car. I just drove it for about an hour, and it looks like it's working really well. I'm going to show you guys how it came out. Sec. I'll show some pictures of the install right here. Took everything apart like the instructions say, popped off the cam gear, got in there, tapped it, and then they used like an RTV, like oil gasket sealer, I guess. Let me turn off autofocus real quick. There it is. Let's see. Oh, right there. So, oh god, there it is. Boom. So that kit, it taps into the block and it holds the oil pressure sensor higher. There's no oil leaking at all. See? Alright guys, so it honestly, I have to say it worked, and to be really honest, I didn't think it was going to work, like not at all. I had some faith, but I would say 60-40, 60 in the no, 40 in the yes. But I've driven now 30 plus miles, 50 minutes, bumper to highway speeds. It's holding good, and now I'm driving to Pennsylvania, and I also have to stop in Brooklyn, New York. So this thing's getting city driving, mountain driving, and it's cold out. It's freezing. So the kit's holding pretty well so far. I just picked this up today, and for $200, guys, I would definitely consider this. It's working. I don't know how else to put it. I'm gonna put the link in the bio and definitely check it out. So KUKS Shop, I have to say thank you so much for sponsoring this and sending it out to me. It really is working, and I don't even know what to say. I'm really hyped to see this work, especially once I drive the PA. If there's no leaking, I know it's good, and I already think it's gonna do fine. Also, while we were in there, while Ryan was in there at MR Performance, he checked like every gasket, replaced almost everything on the driver's side, put in new sealant everywhere, the whole nine. So that was definitely my leak, and this fixed it. So make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Definitely check them out if you need this and you cracked your head like I did. And peace out, guys.